Hey, greetings everyone. Project due today here. Sorry, I should have got this up a little sooner. I just wanted to go over Flickr a little bit and talk about how I want these projects, how to present them, um, and cover Flickr while we're at that. So if you log into Flickr.com, like I said, I'm still learning it a little bit here because they changed everything, of course, in the past month. And so you type in Flickr.com and it brings up your page. It used to just go to a general Flickr page, but now it seems like there's some more directed things as to my page. But then if you click on the U button, that will take you to your photo stream and all your stuff. And you can manage stuff. If you look under U, there's photo stream. There are sets, map, favorites, galleries, recent activities, organize. I would like us to put our projects into sets. And some of you have probably heard me as you post your final portfolio proposals. One thing I've been telling people is, hey, put these things in a set and we'll look at them. And that gives me a place to go and look at and see how your final portfolio is developing, and can give other places, people a place to go to look at it, critique it, think about it, see it, do that. So for each of your projects that are due, I would like each of those in a set, and I would like you just the images you want to be graded on. So this week there would be 4 images. If you felt you had really good, 5 or 6 images or whatever, and you wanted to, include those, that's okay. But always just include your strongest work. Okay, so contacts under there, recent photos, contact list. Make your whole big long list of everyone who's a contact. The other important thing for us is communities, because that's where our group is. So if you go under communities, there's the group list. Click on that. It'll give you a list of all your groups. Click on your group, and there you go. You can see that. And then we go up here. There are 21 members. So we click on that, and I got to invite a few more people here. You go down here, you click more, and it should show all those people. So that's an important element. I can invite people and whatever. I'll need to do that. So we'll go back to my photo stream. So the photo stream, the other thing you're going to need to do is to be able to make a set. They've changed it now, of course, as I keep saying. Down below here is my photo stream. The next one over is the sets. These are different sets. So for all my bodies of work I make a set up on Flickr. One thing to be aware of with Flickr is free, but there is a limit you can upload in a month. So do be aware of that. I don't know what it is, 100 megabytes or something like that. Maybe it's a gig. I don't know what it is. But there's a limit. So I wouldn't go uploading all your photographs here. I've had that happen in the past, and then people's limit becomes full and they can't add anymore. So try and avoid that. Me, I just use it as a portfolio. I don't put all my photographs up here. I just put it as a portfolio page, so everything's in a set. For me, I do have some random photographs here. And I want you, like I was saying, to use sets for your final project, for each of the projects that we're going to do here. So do that, and to create that, here you go, just click Add a New Set. And when you click on Add a New Set, you can add all sorts of information. My computer is slow today. Maybe it's the internet connection. It's slow. But anyways, if we click that, we'll add a new set, and you can add a title. You upload, you can choose the photographs that are in your photo stream. Your photo stream is just, unless you tell it otherwise, is pretty much just the most recent photograph added to, all the way back. So you can go through your photo stream and add the, just drag and drop, as long as this is similar as to what it was before. Drag and drop the images into your photo stream. So here you go. You can put your title there. You can put a little statement here, which we may want to use. Down here is the images from your photo stream. You can scroll through all those and, drag and drop them. And there you added one. So add as many as you want. Once you get several in there, you can organize, the order in which they're viewed, which is always important. That's part of presentation, certainly on Flickr, how they scroll through the images and what they experience first and next and last and all that sort of stuff. So you can organize that and and do that. So I'm not going to save this. I'm just going to X this out, and it says, do you want to discard items? Yes, discard them. All right, so we can also, organize your images in lots of different ways. You can add tags to them. You can look at metadata, blah, 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 blah. Sets and collections. You can print from here. Looks like we can, I can even click on my groups. So their navigation changes a little bit as you move through their program. All right, so let's see if I click on this photograph. If you click on a photograph, you should be able to bring up a gallery. Should use Lightbox, make things dark. Actually, it's a little different than before. I just want to see what sort of information they provide. When you look at your photograph, let's see, sometimes it tells you shutter speeds and all that stuff. Probably doesn't do that here because this was not a digital image. This was a tintype. So, yes. All right. Yeah, those are the important things. Mostly I just want to make sure that you're putting your images in a set, the finished things, the things you want to be graded on, put those in a set. I want you to make your comments about each other's work on Blackboard, and if you can, copy and paste these things, the URL into the web page or into the discussion board. If you're talking specifically about an image, just copy and paste that URL or even drag and drop the image. You might be able to do that. So I click on this. You used to be able to get to actual size. You can see different image sizes in this stuff. I'll have to look to see if I can find that information. All right, anyways, but that's mostly important. Most important what I wanted you to do today. Again, I also have started posting the next module stuff up there. I know it's probably not all working. I haven't checked all the links there, but you can do the readings and probably get to some web pages and all that stuff. I'll try and have all those links functioning by Monday. So if I don't have them functioning Monday, start sending me emails, letting me know, and I'll take care of them. All right, well, have a good weekend, everyone. Let me know if you have any questions.